Oumuamua is the first visitor from interstellar space that we have ever confirmed moved through our solar system.
Back in 2017, scientists were stunned by the discovery of Oumuamua, the first known interstellar object to pass through our solar system. It moved in ways that defied physics, sparking wild theories, from a strange asteroid to an alien probe. Then it vanished. And we thought that was the end of the story. But now Neil deGrasse Tyson just dropped a bombshell. Oumuamua is back, and it's not alone. That same bizarre, tumbling object has returned, with the same odd acceleration that couldn't be explained by gravity, but this time it brought company. Several mysterious objects are now trailing alongside it, each moving unpredictably and outside the limits of known science. Global observatories are scrambling, and no one has clear answers. How did it return? What are these new objects? And most importantly, who or what sent them? These objects don't move like random space rocks. Not even close. They're not scattered like debris or drifting like shattered fragments. Instead, their movements seem coordinated, almost like they're being guided by something we can't detect. Astrophysicists are scratching their heads. Are we seeing some kind of unknown propulsion system? Or are these not natural at all? Could they be artificial, built for a purpose still hidden in silence? And here's what makes it wilder. Neil deGrasse Tyson, known for being level-headed and no-nonsense, is openly talking about how unexplainable this all is. That alone has people paying serious attention. This isn't just some space fluke. These aren't icy comets or wandering asteroids caught by Jupiter. Oumuamua and its crew entered from deep space, left, and now came back. And the big mystery? That original strange acceleration. No tail, no visible outgassing, and still no clear explanation. Now it's happening again, but this time with backup. For Oumuamua to return, it would have needed to lose energy or be redirected. But there's no known force that could have pulled that off. No close flybys, no gravity assists, nothing that explains how it came back. And these companions? They're not just random space junk. They're different sizes, shapes, and speeds. Yet they move in sync. Some spiral in, then drift back out, like they're following an invisible blueprint. That's not how natural objects behave. Even stranger, they reflect light in odd ways. Not like asteroids, not like comets. Some scientists now wonder if their surfaces were designed, shaped on purpose. If they're natural, we've just discovered a whole new class of interstellar objects. That alone would flip science on its head. But if there's even a hint they're artificial, then we're talking about something way bigger. This could mean someone, or something, out there knows we exist, and just made a return visit. The entire world is watching, and nobody knows what's coming next. Telescopes worldwide, including the powerful James Webb, are now locked in, tracking every move of Oumuamua and its crew. Scientists are analyzing light signatures, motion paths, and material composition like never before. There's a new urgency, not just to watch, but to understand. These objects don't speak. No signals, no lights, no messages. Just pure presence. Silent, deliberate, and chillingly precise. One burning question: was this return intentional? Why now, at a time when Earth finally has the tech to actually notice and study them? Could they have passed before and we just missed it? Even more strange, they're not heading straight toward the inner solar system. They're hovering near the outer edges, almost like they're watching. Or maybe waiting. And here's the wildest part. Some of these things are hovering, literally staying still in space, then suddenly shifting direction with zero visible thrust. That's not normal physics. That's something else entirely. Whatever this is, it's beyond anything our science can currently explain. Neil deGrasse Tyson is calling for calm, but even he can't hide the shock. This isn't just some rare event. It's a once-in-history kind of moment. The return of Oumuamua, now with a whole squad, isn't just weird, it's rewriting everything we thought we knew. This isn't about one rogue rock, it's a procession, and that changes everything. Some say it's the start of a new era. Cosmic archaeology, interstellar contact, or something we don't even have a name for yet. The idea that Earth is isolated? That's fading fast. These things didn't just pass by. They came back. Same object, same impossible motion. But this time, they're watching. No signals, no noise, just silent, perfect movement. Like gravity and inertia don't apply to them. Now, labs across the world are racing to figure it out. And some scientists think these aren't the only ones. Others might be hiding near gas giants or just beyond the edge of our solar system. If that's true, we've already been noticed. The way these objects move, together in sync, it's not random. It feels intentional. Whether they're remnants of an ancient force or messengers from a future we can't imagine, their presence breaks every expectation we had about space. They didn't arrive with noise or signals, just presence, like ghost ships on the edge of the sea, gliding in with no warning, no weapons, just watching. It's eerie, powerful, and poetic all at once. And just like explorers in Earth's past, they spark the same haunting questions. Who sent them? Why now? And what do they already know about us? This isn't just a return. It's something new. Oumuamua didn't come back alone, and the way these other objects behave, totally unlike comets or asteroids, has shaken the scientific world to its core. It's clear we've crossed into a new chapter. The universe just got way more mysterious and way more alive. And whatever this is, it didn't follow the rules. It rewrote them. What started as simple observation has now turned into something way deeper, a growing sense that something unfamiliar has entered our space. Scientists are stunned by what they're seeing. These objects aren't drifting randomly. They're locked in perfect formations. Instead of chaos, their movements form spirals, ellipses, and synchronized shifts, like they're orbiting an invisible point. High-tech tracking tools show that their distances and speeds are constantly, precisely adjusting. It's not gravitational chaos, it's a cosmic choreography. If this was just gravity, we'd see randomness, some breakdown in motion. But that's not happening. These objects move with intention, symmetry, and purpose. Some experts now believe they may be linked by a hidden force. Maybe a type of communication system or shared propulsion we can't even detect yet. And in the middle of it all, Oumuamua, still tumbling just like before, but now acting as the anchor, the center point in this bizarre formation. This isn't just movement, it's a pattern. And patterns mean design. Something is going on up there, and it's way bigger than we imagined. Oumuamua might not be the outlier we thought. It could be the lead or core of something way bigger. A scout, a beacon, maybe even part of a whole network hiding in plain sight. What's really blowing minds is how these objects seem to react to planets, especially Jupiter. Some have changed course as if scanning its magnetic field or orbiting briefly before peeling off, like they're gathering data. This isn't random drift. It looks like precision, predictive movement, like they know where to go. Now, Earth and space observatories are teaming up to simulate how these things might be talking, not through radio, but maybe through invisible field shifts or even subtle distortions in space-time itself. And here's another twist. They're playing with sunlight in ways we've never seen. Instead of just bouncing light like dust or rock, some seem to bend, trap, or re-emit it in tight bands, like they're coated in advanced materials made to control energy. We're not just observing anymore. We're witnessing tech we can't even explain. These objects aren't reflecting light like normal rocks. Their surfaces act like high-tech materials, possibly engineered to manage heat or light. Some experts even think they might be collecting solar energy, almost like advanced space-grade solar panels. But here's what's even stranger. Total silence. No signals. No radio pings. Nothing. It's not just quiet. It's intentional. Either they're using a type of communication we can't detect, like neutrinos or even quantum entanglement, or they're not communicating at all. That eerie silence? It's got scientists on edge. And despite all the attention they're getting, they're completely ignoring Earth. Not a single one has shifted toward us. They're focused on something else: gravitational patterns, magnetic fields, the rhythms of planets. So what's really going on here? Some researchers now believe this might be a calibration mission. These could be ancient probes, returning to old checkpoints, not to visit us, but to fine-tune something bigger. Maybe part of a long-range system mapping the galaxy, or something way beyond that. Just like Earth's satellites revisit stars to recalibrate, these objects might be doing the same, checking cosmic data points, mapping planetary fields, or comparing time-bent measurements gathered over insane distances. But here's the twist. If they've been traveling for centuries, how are they back in just 8 years? That opens the door to wild but serious theories, like faster-than-light tech, space folds, wormholes, or shortcuts through dimensions we haven't even confirmed yet. These aren't just sci-fi ideas anymore. Scientists are now treating them as real possibilities. Universities and space agencies are scrambling, setting up workshops to figure out what repeated contact really means. Because this doesn't look like a one-time fluke. This might be the beginning of something bigger. And maybe they're not here to talk, but to test. Some experts now believe advanced civilizations could be quietly observing us, waiting to see if we hit certain tech levels or behavioral patterns before making contact, like silent cosmic gatekeepers, measuring if we're ready to join a larger network. If that's true, we're being watched. Quietly. Closely. Right now. For centuries, we've looked to the skies through myth and belief, wondering if we were ever truly alone. Now science is forcing us to face that question, for real. And just when we thought it couldn't get weirder, one of the companion objects broke formation. But it didn't tumble away or drift off like space debris. It accelerated, smoothly, fast, in a clean path heading straight for the outer solar system, with no visible propulsion, no thrusters, no tail, just raw motion, and it defied physics. This shook the scientific world. It looked intentional, controlled, like a scout sent on a mission, or a courier carrying data. Now the big question: are they staying? Are these artificial moons sent to orbit us forever? Or are they preparing to vanish again, just like before? Some experts believe this could be the start of a cycle, a series of visits, a pattern we've only just begun to notice. And make no mistake, behind the scenes, top agencies are watching, closely, because this might not be science fiction anymore. It might be contact. Behind the scenes, something big is happening. Military-grade sensors, originally built to track missiles and threats, are now being quietly used to monitor these mysterious visitors. And the calm in public messaging? That might be intentional, a slow rollout to ease us into the idea that we're not alone. Neil deGrasse Tyson's public statements might even be part of this careful reveal. Not hype, but preparation. So far, these objects haven't acted aggressive. No threats, no signals, no flashy entrances. Just calm, calculated presence, like they're showing restraint or following some kind of cosmic code of conduct. Some experts think they're watchers, time capsules or silent observers studying life as it evolves across solar systems. Earth might just be one checkpoint in a massive galactic archive, but not everyone sees it as peaceful. Others warn this could be an interstellar immune system designed to assess threats, not speak. If a planet gets too chaotic or dangerous, maybe it gets flagged. No weapons shown yet, but their capabilities? Way beyond anything we've ever seen. This possibility, that these objects might be more than just visitors, can't be ignored. But what really matters is how we remember this moment. Is this the dawn of a new cosmic awareness? The day humanity finally accepted it's not alone in the universe? Or will this slip into secrecy and forgetfulness? Already, schools are updating lessons. Artists and creators are inspired, dreaming bigger than ever before. Oumuamua and its silent crew have done more than confuse science. They've sparked wonder and opened a door to the unknown. They don't just reflect technology, they mirror our curiosity, humility, and endless hunger to explore. Whether they're probes, travelers, or cosmic wanderers, they've changed the game forever. And when one companion suddenly shot off on its own, defying gravity without explanation, it showed us this isn't random. It's smart. Something alive with intelligence beyond what we know. One of these objects showed clear signs of decision-making, moving with purpose through complex space. It carefully avoided Saturn's gravity, slipped past the heliospheric current sheet, and aligned perfectly with the solar ecliptic plane before suddenly turning toward the heliopause, the edge where our solar wind meets interstellar space. This path wasn't random or escape. It looked like a map, a recalibration for a bigger cosmic survey beyond our star's reach. Some scientists call it a shepherd probe, guiding the other objects along hidden lanes, keeping their formation balanced across huge distances. Meanwhile, Earth has sent signals, pulses, prime numbers, molecular codes, all the universal hello signs. But the objects? Total silence, no response. This has led to a wild idea. Maybe they don't even receive messages through radio waves or anything in the electromagnetic spectrum. They could be communicating in ways we can't even imagine. Some experts think these objects aren't just moving. They might be bending reality itself. Tiny shifts in space-time around them aren't normal gravity effects. It's like they're warping the fabric of space, bending distance instead of crossing it. This hints at crazy tech, using exotic matter or negative energy to zip through space-time, making huge distances seem tiny. If true, it flips everything we know about travel in space. It also means our solar system could be just one stop in a giant cosmic highway, a way station on a galactic map. On top of that, scientists found patterns linking these objects' paths to ancient orbital charts, hinting at a bigger design stretching across time and space. Some researchers mixing archaeology and astronomy say ancient cultures might have recorded similar cosmic events. Cave paintings, stone carvings, and star glyphs from places like the Andes to the Altai Mountains show elongated shapes with smaller bodies arranged in patterns, eerily like Oumuamua and its crew. If this isn't coincidence, it suggests these visitors have been passing Earth on a regular cycle for centuries. Historians are now re-examining myths about sky serpents, celestial messengers, and traveling stars as possible records of these visits passed down through generations. At the same time, our planetary defense systems, built to track asteroids, have picked up strange magnetic fluctuations that line up with the object's movements. These tiny magnetic pulses have never been seen before and might even be an intentional mapping system, using Earth's magnetic field like migratory animals use geomagnetism to navigate. Could this be proof we've been visited before and only now have the tech to notice? What's even crazier is how these objects are reshaping our view of space itself. Their timely return has scientists questioning the idea that interstellar space is just empty and random. Instead, space might have hidden highways, networks of energy lanes, gravity flows, and invisible paths that make travel easier. Like ships riding ocean currents, these visitors could be following cosmic routes designed for efficient transit. If this is true, then space isn't empty. It's a complex system with secret roads and intersections that only advanced travelers can navigate. If you found this mind-blowing, don't forget to hit like, share this video, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think these mysterious visitors really are?